Skin, often seen as a mere covering, holds a deeper story. What lies beneath the surface of skin hues? The answer might surprise you. Join us for an enlightening journey where we explore the shocking truth about melanin and black people. Because it has a higher concentration of melanin, the pigment responsible for giving skin its color, black skin has a natural sun protection barrier that is equivalent to a sunscreen with a factor of 13.4. A person with white skin has only a fraction of the protection that darker skin does against the sun's rays. The protective barrier it creates has a sun protection factor of 3.3. This advantage implies that black skin shows signs of sun damage more slowly, but more melanin also means that there is a larger likelihood of producing uneven areas that may be darker or lighter than the skin around it. This can be a disadvantage. The protein collagen is responsible for black skin's ability to delay the aging process. On the other hand, having a lot of collagen makes it more likely that scars will form. This excerpt from the book Black Skin, written by a doctor from the United Kingdom named Daija O'Lady, discusses how this works as well as the reasons why there is not enough research into effective treatments. Researchers expect that by taking extremely precise measurements, they will be able to bring the stone-still faces of mummies back to life and reveal the whole spectrum of their complexions. As we navigate the intricate science and untangle the historical threads, a newfound understanding awaits, one that transcends time, challenges assumptions, and celebrates the mosaic of humanity. Stay engaged, for the canvas of melanin has much more to reveal. Skepticism and resistance are two echoes that can be heard throughout the sacred corridors of Egyptology. However, not all echoes are harmonious. In spite of this, subsequent efforts such as thorough anthropological inspection and paleopathological analysis have presented a picture that is increasingly clear. Mummy skin samples, which were thought to have been colorless for millennia, have recently surfaced as stores of history, whispering tales of melanin-rich cells and the origins of people of African descent. This academic journey is a monument to the persistent quest of truth through the use of scientific investigation, and it stands as such as an important piece of evidence. As the search for secrets of melanin continues, it has the ability to shatter conventional assumptions and shine a revealing light on the ageless face of Egypt's past. This is because melanin is a pigment that gives skin its color. Afrocentric anthropologists make the bold assertion that the ancient Egyptians and their modern African counterparts have a strong ancestral relationship. This assertion is made at the intersection of history and identity. The conventional narratives are called into question, and Egypt's historical tapestry is reinterpreted as a result of this perspective. These researchers are advocating for a comprehensive reinterpretation of Egypt's beginnings, and they do so from the perspective of a lens that places Africa at the heart of historical investigation. They contend that the complex cultural and geographical landscape of ancient Egypt aligns more closely with the African mosaic than was previously recognized, and that this similarity can be traced back to the time of the pharaohs. This assumption is supported by the notion of a common racial stock, which implies that the physiological characteristics that determine the appearance of ancient Egyptians are similar to those of contemporary Africans. This viewpoint challenges the conventional wisdom regarding the significance of ancient Egypt in the development of civilizations all across the world. It honors the enduring heritage of Africa as well as the profound contributions that Africa has made to the story of humanity. By fighting for what they consider to be the historical truth, Afrocentric anthropologists attempt to both improve people's overall grasp of Egypt's history and destroy preconceived notions about the country's history. By doing so, they advocate for a narrative that not only draws attention to the similarities that exist between ancient Egyptians and present Africans, but also makes a contribution to a history of humanity that is more all-encompassing and comprehensive. With his groundbreaking breakthrough, the melanin dose test, the renowned historian and physicist Dr. Cheikh Anta Diop emerges as a visionary pathfinder in the field of historical research. By using the science of skin samples, this brilliant technology, which was developed to uncover long-guarded mysteries of ancient mummies, has the potential to shed light on the complexions of these long-lost characters who have been kept in the dark for a very long time. A comprehensive look of the essential function that melanin plays in determining the color of human skin is at the core of Diop's innovative work. Diop brilliantly created a test that extracts significant data from the remnants of mummy epidermis. He did this after realizing that the concentration of melanin in the skin is what controls the spectrum of skin hues. The purpose of this test is to resuscitate not only the physical features of ancient Egyptians, but also their broader cultural and historical circumstances. To accomplish this, the test will precisely measure the concentration of melanin within these tissue samples. The results of Diop's test for the melanin dosage emerge as a triumph of cross-disciplinary creativity. He created a device that is able to bridge the gap between different eras by drawing from the fields of physics, history, and biology. This technique is predicated on the idea that the concentration of melanin acts as a time capsule, providing a concrete link to the lives and identities of mummies whose voices have been hushed for a very long time. This astonishing idea is gaining recognition and popularity, and as a result, it has the potential to completely transform the way that we think about ancient civilizations. The results of Diop's melanin dose test present a striking picture of historical diversity and call into question long, widely held beliefs that have persisted for millennia. We are on the verge of unlocking the visual narrative of mummies, which will allow us to transcend time and grasp the past in a way that was previously unimaginable as a result of our adoption of this scientific journey into history. The intricate tapestry of human skin tones finds its origins in the delicate dance of melanin concentration within our bodies. Melanin, a pigment produced by specialized cells called melanocytes, wields a profound influence over the spectrum of skin pigmentation. This remarkable interplay lies at the heart of the diverse physical appearances that grace our global population. Melanin's role as the primary determinant of skin color is elegantly simple yet scientifically intricate. The higher the concentration of melanin, the darker the resulting skin hue. This process is orchestrated by melanocytes, which release varying amounts of melanin into the epidermal layers of the skin. Their activity is influenced by a multitude of factors, including genetics, sun exposure, and hormones. In regions of the world with intense sunlight, there is compelling evolutionary advantage to having higher melanin concentrations. Melanin acts as a natural shield, absorbing and dissipating harmful ultraviolet radiation. This protective mechanism reduces the risk of DNA damage caused by excessive sun exposure and helps prevent sunburn and skin cancer. The genetic diversity that underpins varying melanin concentrations has evolved over millennia in response to differing environmental pressures. This diversity underscores the beauty and richness of human physicality across the globe. As we explore the science behind melanin, we unveil a captivating story of adaptation and survival, as well as a celebration of the remarkable range of skin tones that grace our world. Recent scientific inquiries employing innovative rehydration techniques have breathed new life into the ancient whispers of mummies past. These studies have uncovered a remarkable revelation: the persistent presence of melanin within mummy skin, providing tangible evidence that resonates with Negroid or Black African origins. As mummies stand frozen in time, the rehydration methods applied by researchers have defied temporal boundaries, offering a glimpse into the ancestral legacy etched upon their skin. The discovery of preserved melanin within these once desiccated remains resonates powerfully, echoing a heritage that transcends millennia. The link between melanin and Negroid or Black African origins is a poignant testament to the enduring narratives of human history. Melanin's role in protecting skin from the sun's potent rays has deep evolutionary significance, particularly in regions with intense sunlight. The presence of melanin not only reflects the physiological adaptations that have taken place over generations, but also paints a vivid portrait of the interconnectedness of humanity. That's all for the video today, but we'll be right back with more videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.